Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Tuesday, the 1st of November. Happy 1st of November everyone. Hope everyone had an awesome October and 2 more months left in the year. Should be definitely interesting. Today we had 6 trades, 4 winners, 2 of them were losers. Maximum profit potential we had were 23 points or 92 ticks. Actual trades made inside the room, entries and exits, we made 28 and 3/4 points or 115 ticks. We've been getting a lot of questions lately. The maximum profit potential, what that is the entry that I call in the room and the potential of the entire move. And every day it's like a competition between actual results and maximum profit potential. Obviously the results are not calculated until after the room is over, but it's just a competition with myself. I started doing this and I just enjoyed it. Actual trades made inside the room, we trade 2 contracts at a time, and that's basically the difference between these two. Actual results are the actual results, but I take the lower of these two numbers, and that is what I put into the performance as far as the results on the day. So even though we did make 28 and 3/4 points on the day, I'm going to put it in as 23 points because I think it makes it more fair. Because somebody might be able to follow me 100% of the time, but is it logical to think that everybody will be able to? I don't think so. So that's why I take the lower of the two numbers. If we make lower in the room than we do maximum profit potential, then I am gonna do the actual results. But in this case, because maximum profit potential is lower, even though we did make more points in the room, I'm gonna take the lower numbers. So 23 points is what I would put in there, and I'm just reiterating talking about this because I have been getting a lot of questions, and hopefully this will clear it up a little bit. I know I'll get more questions in the future and I'll be able to talk about it more, but it's pretty much a challenge with myself. And also, I'm not calculating everything that we made in the room. Like, I'm subtracting what we made in the room by 5 and 3/4 points because I think it's more fair that way. Just because most people I don't think are going to be able to follow me 100% of the time, and it's not for any reason in particular. It's just you know it's just statistics. I think you know not everyone is going to be able to. Is it most? Is it not most? It doesn't really matter, but not everyone. So that's why I take this. But anyway, just to reiterate that a little bit and talk about it. But anyway, we did make 28 and 3/4 points in the room. It's awesome, awesome day to begin the new month. Uh, Today the market did gap down pretty well, and I was expecting a gap down, and yesterday's news made it even better. Um, Australia lowered their interest rates by a 1/4 point. Definitely pretty interesting. People are looking at them for global growth. The U.S. is stability. As far as the globe is concerned, the U.S. is stability, but growth is definitely not the U.S. Growth is China and Australia, and if you want to look outside of those two, it would be Brazil. But anyway, that's what it is. But anyway, to get back on the ES, our first trade we took a long down here, and we did ride that for quite a ways, and which was definitely pretty good. We grabbed another long, and we did get stopped out of it, but then we got in towards the bottom here. We grabbed another long, and we were able to ride that up a little bit. So that was pretty good. And then we basically did the same thing. We grabbed another long, too aggressive. We got stopped out, grabbed another long, and rode it the rest of the way up. So it is what it is. We were a little too, or I should say I was a little too aggressive on the day. There's no we since I was making all the calls. Uh, but anyway, we got short again on this run up and rode that. and it was you know, it was pretty fun. So 28 and 3/4 points we did make on the day. I would like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out the website. You know, you may or may not like it. It may or may not be for you. But the URL is www.abusinesswithtrading.com, and I spelled it wrong here. Uh, Here, let's throw an H in there with, and we'll capitalize that. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. It's www.abusiness, and it's supposed to have two S's here. I guess I'm a little dyslexic today. All right. It's www.abusinesswithtrading.com. Uh, you know, the web is not case sensitive, so upper lowercase, it doesn't matter. But anyway, that is the website. I encourage you to stop by and check it out. I do have a link below the video. But anyway, every day we focus on the S&P 500 futures market. I do an analysis for the room. Uh, During the room, I have my charts up. I'm talking about what I'm looking at. And after I close the room, I do another analysis of what I'm looking at for you know, the remainder of the day going into the next day. And you know, it's a lot of fun. It's a market that I'm passionate about, and a lot of the traders that join the room, join the courses, share that same passion, which makes it awesome and a lot of fun to talk about. But anyway, I also have a contact form on the upper right hand side of the website. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, definitely don't hesitate to send that out. I'm also running a contest. A lot of people have already participated in that. If you click on the upper right hand side of the menu bar on the top of the website, it'll talk a little bit about that. And of course, if you have any questions, you know, don't hesitate to email me anything. You know, there's no such thing as a dumb question. There's only the question that's not asked. I totally believe that because I once was a new trader, and you know, some of the questions I ask people, I probably seem kind of stupid, but you know, it's all in perspective. You know, if I look through my perspective now as a person who knows what they're doing, and someone asks a question, I might see it as stupid, but if I look through the eyes of the person who asked the question, it actually seems like a smart question. So it's pretty much all on perspective, and I try to, you know, see through other people, you know, see what they're seeing when they ask the question, and stuff like that. So that way I can, you know, give a better answer. But anyway, that's enough about me, and I don't want the video to be too long because then nobody will probably watch it. But anyway, definitely appreciate you watching this video. If you do enjoy it, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Appreciate that in a big way. You can also leave a comment under the video if you want. That would be very cool of you. Um, have an awesome night, and I'll see you in the morning. Thanks.